In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to get started using image maps. So my question simply is, click on the two largest states in the U.S. And of course, you can use any image you want. So the user would simply come up here and click on what they think the answer is, and then submit it. Let's see how we did this. So I'm in Spark, and here's my question. I'm going to click on it, and you'll notice I have selected the correct answers here. If I hit clear to create a hotspot, I'm going to go ahead and select and do it again. And I have two hotspots. If I put no answers in there, then there are no wrong answers and the students can click just once. That would be an example of pick the state you live in. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to reach out to us at support@c3softworks.com.